Hey guys, what is up? Dylan Locke here. If you haven't already seen it, be sure to check out part 1 of this video. Link will be in the description below. Anyway, this is part 2 of the FPV robot build, so yeah, with nothing further to do, let's start the video.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Still don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
So yeah, I guess that pretty much finishes this project. There are still a lot of things I could upgrade or improve on, such as the tracks or the camera pan and tilt. However, I first want to start on some new projects as I'm kind of getting sick of this one. So as can be seen in the video, for the pan and tilt I decided to use MG996R servos. Once again, link will be in the description below. While you can buy 360-degree servos, I use these as they are all I had on hand at the time I was making it. However, I did gear it up by adding 2 gears, one being a 20-tooth gear and the other one being a 10-tooth gear, therefore virtually doubling the range of motion of the camera as it's a 1:2 ratio. As far as the FPV side goes for this project, I'm fairly happy with it. It all seems to work fairly well. And this will also allow me to use FPV stuff in other projects, as all I need to do is buy another camera and transmitter, which is fairly cheap, and then I can just pair it to the same receiver and goggles, so that's good. Anyway guys, that's all I really have for this video. Once again, if you did enjoy the video, please be sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment. It would really help the channel out. Anyway, I'm Dylan Locke, thanks for watching.